So recently, one of my clients just did something that I thought was a genius idea that I wanted to bring to you guys that could help you along your weight loss journey. Now, one of the things I always say is that the clients that are more intentional with the things that they do are always the most successful. The clients that just try to figure it out as they go or try to make it up on the spot while putting as little thought as possible into what they're doing are always the least successful and have the least chance of getting to where they want to be. As they say, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. So one of my clients told me that she started doing something that really has helped her reach her goals. So what she did was she took her refrigerator and she sectioned out the 3 shelves. And before I say this, I will say that I've always said, and this has always proven to be true, that the clients that meal prep are always, 100% of the time, always more successful than those that don't. Again, if you fail to prepare, you prepare to fail. So what she did was she took each shelf in her refrigerator and she dedicated it to a specific meal. So the top shelf, in most refrigerators, I know mine does, has 3 shelves. Top shelf, middle shelf, bottom shelf. And then it has the shelf underneath for the produce. Top shelf was all breakfast. So she planned, prepped all her meals, and she put all her breakfasts in the top shelf. Middle shelf, lunch. All of her lunches for the week were in the middle shelf. And the bottom shelf was all of her dinners. This is the ultimate in being intentional. And this client, every single week, probably for the last month and a half, maybe longer, has lost at least 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds a week. Every week for at least, I want to say, the last month and a half, maybe longer than the last month and a half. And this is something that she's been doing, and I believe it is a huge part of her success. Now, if you live in she lives with, she has family that lives with her. So I understand it could be much more difficult if you have other people that live with you. But if I said that, it would be an excuse. You don't necessarily have to take up the full refrigerator with all of your stuff. You can have a section of the top shelf for breakfast, a section, a little sliver of the middle shelf for lunch, and a small sliver of the bottom shelf for all your dinners. And that could last you the whole week. So sometimes you gotta think out of the box if you want to be successful. You gotta do different if you want to get different. And this was something that I honestly never thought to do, but I've recommended it to many of my clients, and I told them to try it and report back on if it helps. Now, I know not everyone's going to do it because we all think we know better, but I'm sure to the clients that do it, those clients are probably going to get pretty good results than the clients that don't do it. So give it a try. It might work for you. And if you do try it, come back to this video and save this video. And if you do try it, let me know. Comment below how much it worked. So give it a try. But if you need help on reaching your goals, I'm a coach. I can help. Click the first link below in the description, fill out the form, and you and I will figure out together what we need to do to get you from where you're at to where you want to be.